Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite bread recipes. We all have those special recipes we discover on social media, and this is one of mine. In this video, I'm recreating a unique twist on the famous pan montaña rusa. Una chipa montaña rusa. It's gluten-free, super easy to make, and needs just a few ingredients. Let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 220 degrees Celsius. In a blender or food processor, add 3 large eggs and blend for about 1 minute. Now add 15 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 110 milliliters of milk. You can use whole, skim, or even water, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 110 milliliters of neutral oil. I'm using avocado oil. Add 180 grams of yuca starch, also known as tapioca starch, and blend for about 3 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch metal baking dish with butter to prevent sticking. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Sprinkle 15 grams of grated Parmesan cheese over the top. Bake for about 15 minutes or until the chipa puffs up and turns golden on top. Take it out of the oven and gently remove it from the pan. And that's it. Just a few ingredients and the result is insanely delicious. I hope you love this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!